Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's cheap and comfortable.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Yes, once I missed my flight.
Do you carry a travel pillow?
Yes, for long flights.
How do you book your tickets?
I book them online.
Do you prefer daytime flights or night flights?
I prefer night flights.
Do you drink coffee on the plane?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you use duty-free shops at the airport?
Yes, sometimes I shop there.
Do you like to walk in new cities?
Yes, I enjoy walking tours.
Do you prefer solo travel or group travel?
I prefer group travel.
What is your favorite travel memory?
My favorite memory is visiting the Eiffel Tower.
Do you use a backpack or suitcase?
I use a backpack.
Do you carry a power bank when traveling?
Yes, always.
Do you use a travel app?
Yes, I use Booking.com.
Do you buy travel packages?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like camping while traveling?
Yes, camping is fun.
Do you like traveling by ship?
Yes, I enjoy cruises.
Do you travel with pets?
No, I don't.
Do you listen to music while traveling?
Yes, it relaxes me.
Do you read books while traveling?
Yes, I read novels.
Do you collect stamps in your passport?
Yes, I love passport stamps.
Do you like to visit historical places?
Yes, very much.
Do you buy street food when you travel?
Yes, I love it.
Do you try learning new languages while traveling?
Yes, a few words.
Do you prefer small towns or big cities?
I prefer small towns.
Do you like to visit theme parks?
Yes, they are exciting.
Do you like boat rides?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you travel with friends often?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
Do you send postcards when traveling?
No, I don't.
Do you use travel blogs for tips?
Yes, they are helpful.
Do you like adventure sports while traveling?
Yes, I like hiking.
Do you prefer hot weather trips?
Yes, I enjoy the sun.
Do you like cold weather destinations?
Yes, I like snow.
Do you like waterfalls?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you take travel insurance every time?
Not every time.
Do you like shopping malls abroad?
Yes, they are huge.
Do you use credit cards when traveling?
Yes, very often.
Do you take travel photographs at night?
Yes, night photos are amazing.
Do you wake up early when traveling?
Yes, to see more places.
Do you like luxury hotels?
Yes, they are comfortable.
Do you like hostels?
Yes, they are cheap and social.
Do you buy travel souvenirs?
Yes, always.
Do you use translation apps abroad?
Yes, they are useful.
Do you travel with cash or card?
Mostly with card.
Do you carry a camera or phone?
I carry my phone.
Do you like mountain climbing?
Yes, it's exciting.
Do you like jungle safaris?
Yes, they are adventurous.
Do you like desert trips?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you travel during holidays?
Yes, usually on holidays.
Do you like traveling for festivals?
Yes, cultural festivals are great.
Do you like photography trips?
Yes, I love photography.